Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey, hold on, y'all. Just a second here. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video, but this is something I've been doing for years. I never did a video on it. I think to render down this pork skin, pork fat, and I keep the pork oil and I put it in jars. It's like beef tallow. You ever had beef tallow? It's like pork tallow. And I use it to cook with, put in my greens, put in your whatever. It's extra flavor, put in my cabbage. My mama used to do this. But it's going to give me two things. It's going to give me some quote unquote cracklings when this cooked down. And the grease that I'm going to put in the jars. So that's what I'm making. Some old school pork tallow, or you can call it. Be fancy, all this is pork grease. And some cracklings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off here. I'm going to cut this up in little bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to put it in my pot over here. It's going to render down. It's going to take about an hour to render this down and get it nice and crispy and all that oil out of it. And after it's over, we're going to have some cracklings there and some pork fat there to put in the jars. And I can use it, I'll throw it in the refrigerator, and like I say, season my greens and beans or whatever. I'll put a little bit in there. So anyway, I'm going to step off here, cut this up real quick, and we're going to get this process going. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got the fat cut up right there. See that? Now all I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to move over here to my pot here. We're going to put them in this pot right here, and we just gonna render this down, y'all, slowly but surely. I ain't gotta put no oil, I ain't gotta put no water, I ain't gotta do nothing. It's gonna be completely naturally cooked down, rendered down fat. And all that, when the fat rendered down, all you have left is gonna be that nice crispy, my mama used to love this, nice crispy cracklings at the end. So anyway, I'm gonna come back, y'all, halfway through the process. Like I say, it takes about an hour and a half to do. So yeah, so we'll be back here in about an hour, about 45 minutes, show you the process, half an hour, and we'll go from there. Old school cracklings and pork grease. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, we are about 45 minutes into the process, and look at this. I got this on real low because I just want to render this. You don't want the temperature high. But you want to render all that fat out of it. See how the fat is rendering out of there? And as it slowly render, as that fat all render out, it's going to turn into cracklings. See that? And I'm going to just stir it periodically. You can see all that, what we call just grease. And it's going to all render down. It's going to turn into, you can see some of it kind of already trying to turn, the small pieces trying to turn into cracklings already. So it's going to take about 30 more minutes on this. And when I come back again, it'll be ready to take out. And I'm going to have my jar ready for this. And we're going to pour it in my jar. And then we're going to have the cracklings to eat over to eat also. So, like I said, very simple. And people going to ask where I get fat at. You can go to a lot of Mexican supermarkets. They sell that fat and then the pork fat or pork skin and raw pork skin in there like crazy. So you know they sell they chicharrones. They call them chicharrones in the store. And they always sell the raw pork fat. And a lot of Asian stores have it as well if you're looking for it. So that's why I get mine. It's so dirt cheap. I got this, cost me $2. All of this, so it's dirt cheap pork fat. So anyway, when I come back, I'll be ready to take it out and show y'all the final product. Old school, what they call it, cracklings and pork fat. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, these are pretty much done. See that? Look at that, y'all, how beautiful those are. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them on a sheet pan with a rack. And I'm going to immediately put some salt and pepper on them. And remember, this has no flavor, no nothing, y'all. This is just literally pork fat. And you need to put salt and pepper on them immediately after you put them on the pan. Of course, while they're hot, so that salt and pepper can sink into the hold on y'all, to the pork. I just sprinkle with a little salt and pepper. Unless you don't want salt and pepper on them, it's your choice. Let me move y'all over here. Move y'all over. Look at that. Nice cracklings there. So I'm gonna move these to the side, kind of let them cool. We'll come back to them later. I want them to fall over. Now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put this oil here on my jar. Let me put a little bit of heat on it. I want to put this hot oil, whole jar, into the break. I had them warmed up. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. We back here. Okay, y'all. Now, all I'm going to do is pour this all pork fat, oil, how you want to say it. Got a little strainer here. Just pour it right into the jar. You like to get 2 jars of this stuff. There we go. Another jar here. Move this over. And later on, y'all, this, of course, y'all know this will cool off and solidify. Might get more than one here. Yeah, y'all might get more than one this time. Yes, I will. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right. Got enough for one more, y'all. We're going to pour this last little bit in there, in the jar here. There we go. I got my, oh shoot. I overran that one a little. Hold on, y'all, just a second here, y'all. Oh, this is like liquid gold. This is like, look at that, like liquid gold, y'all. That's liquid gold there, buddy. So is. And I'm gonna just put this in the refrigerator, y'all. There ain't nothing like canning method and put in a water bath or nothing like that. No, I just keep this in the refrigerator as I need it. I'll just scoop it out. See how easy that is? And my mama, she used to have this all the time in the refrigerator. Like I say, you just, when you want to season your greens or beans or stuff like that, you have it available. So I'm going to step off here, y'all, and clean up, and we'll be back to close this video out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this big old bowl of goodness, y'all. Hear that? Hear them cracklings, y'all? My God, y'all. I'm telling you. I know a lot of people don't eat pork or whatever. That's fine. A lot of us do. Especially them Cajuns. They love that pork crackling. If you got some good fresh ones, it's absolutely amazing. Then you can see I'm holding this because it's still hot, y'all. Look at that liquid gold. And like I said, I'll put this in the refrigerator later after it cool down out here. And then it'll solidify. And then when I need to add a little flavor to my greens or beans or cabbage or stuff like that, or what I do, I take some and slather it on a sweet potato and put it in the oven, or slather it on a baked potato and put it in the oven. Hey, it's all kinds of uses with that. So let's try these cracklings here. We get a good one right here. That's a good one now. Look at that one. Look at that piece now. Dog. I'm eating popcorn. Look at this one. I'm eating popcorn. Y'all. Look. Wow. Like I said, y'all, I put a little salt and pepper on mine to give it a little flavor. Not much, but a little recipe. I couldn't believe I never showed y'all. I told y'all in 2024 I'm gonna be showing y'all recipe I never showed y'all before. Maybe there's somebody out here who want to make this. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfolk.com. I'm in the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Stop wishing and start doing. Until next time, I'm eating this. That's why I keep doing it. I keep eating this crackling. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.